Hey guys, this is CME Dhabalia and welcome to my channel. And today we'll be talking about sole proprietorship business. So a sole proprietorship is basically an individual entrepreneur or a sole trader. A sole proprietorship business is basically run by one person and there is no legal distinction between the person and the brand identity or the business identity. Now the next question is qualification required. Well, if you are a CA, CS architect or a pharmacist, then definitely the qualification is required for you to run the business. But other than that, for you to be a sole proprietor and run a business, no qualification is required. Investment required. Well, there is no compulsory investment which is required for you to run under a sole proprietorship business. It can be right from 10 rupees to 10 crores. Now the most asked question is, where do I register as a sole proprietor? Well, like an LLP is under an LLP Act or a private limited is under a Companies Act, there is no act prescribed for a sole proprietorship business. But when you do want to start a business, you definitely require a current account with a bank. Now, bankers compulsorily ask for at least 2 government proofs, and if you are not registered under an act, then how do you get yourself registered, or how do you get yourself a bank account? So you can definitely start with a GST, that is a goods and service tax registration, or if you are into import or export of goods or services, then you can get an import export certificate, that is IEC, or you can get a Gumasta, that is a shop and establishment license. So banks usually do help and open bank account with either of at least 2 of these 3 government proofs. The next is what else do you require? That is, you definitely require proof of identity, proof of address, and a PAN.